Imagine shrinking yourself down to the tiniest scale possible, smaller than dust, smaller than cells, even smaller than DNA. At that level, you'd find the true building blocks of everything around you, atoms and molecules. From the air we breathe to the device you're watching this on, it's all made of these invisible units. Let's break down what they are and why they matter. Atoms are the basic units of matter. Think of them like Lego bricks. Each brick represents an element, like oxygen, carbon, or hydrogen. Every atom has three main parts. Protons positively charged in the nucleus. Neutrons neutral, also in the nucleus. Electrons negatively charged, orbiting the nucleus. The number of protons defines which element it is. For example, 1 proton means hydrogen, 6 protons means carbon, and 8 protons means oxygen. Atoms rarely exist alone. They prefer to bond with other atoms, creating molecules. For example, 2 hydrogen atoms plus 1 oxygen atom equal H2O, or water. Carbon plus oxygen can form CO2, or carbon dioxide. Molecules are like words built from atomic letters. Depending on how you combine them, you get very different results, like how the letters CAT and ACT spell different words. Everything in the universe, your body, your phone, the air, the stars, is made from just over 100 elements on the periodic table. Combine them in countless ways, and you get all the diversity of materials and life forms. Your body? Mostly oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. The Earth's crust? Silicon, oxygen, and aluminum. Stars? Hydrogen and helium. Atoms and molecules are like the universal alphabet that writes the story of the cosmos. Here's something wild. A single drop of water contains sextillions of molecules. That's a number with 21 zeros. Even though atoms are unimaginably small, they make up everything we touch, see, and breathe. And while they seem stable, atoms themselves are mostly empty space. If an atom were scaled up to the size of a football stadium, the nucleus would be like a pea in the center, and the electrons would orbit at the edges. Everything else is empty. So atoms and molecules aren't just science jargon. They're the reason everything exists. From stars and distant galaxies to the cells in your body, they're the invisible architects of reality. Next time you drink a glass of water, remember, you're holding trillions of tiny building blocks, arranged just right to keep you alive. Like what you saw. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video.